Hello, shout out everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning to all of you guys. Today, dito ako sa Buhaira Cornish, guys. Na-miss ko lang ito, guys. Buhaira Cornish, Sharjah. Tapos yan sa kabila naman ay Madjas Park. Oh. Hindi ako makabidyo sa loob kasi ang daming lokal. Shout out to all my loyal supporters, subscribers. Shout out everyone. Thank you guys for your support, for always supporting me. Big thanks. And shout out adding love travel music. Tol Thinking OFW. Kung mapanood mo ito, dito ako sa Buhaira Cornish, Tol Thinking OFW. Upo nga tayo dito. Shout out si Sikoy, Nana, Ani YTC, adding Jin JM, adding love travel music, Nick and Buds Vlogs, aspiring Asmar Whispering Waves, Ding Simple Living, and Michael Kiambao, shout out. Sino pa ba nakikita ko? Si Sikoy Di Santis, Sikoy Di Tatino, sino pa? Sikoy Lauren Directo, Sikoy Nana, Honey YTC, adding Talpa Kicks, M. Hasan Pasha, Kabsat and Onyo, si Sikoy Lauren Directo, shout out. Lahat ng sumusuport sa akin, shout out sa inyong lahat. To all my new subscribers, supporters, thank you everyone. Rose Lumelod Vlog here and Buhaira Cornish, Sharjah, United Arab Emirates.